On today's video, we're making elk chili. Now, before you get started, this is a quick, fast recipe. This is how my wife actually taught me how to do it. My wife makes amazing chili. It's quick, it's easy, and before you start jumping in the comments about the chili seasoning, I don't have one yet, but this comes in clutch, and then we kind of season up the meat how we like it. So without further ado, let's get to cooking. All right, so we are out here in my fancy kitchen. I got me a nice little cast iron I borrowed from Wes. I'm gonna dump in about 3 tablespoons of that classic olive oil, 1 large chopped yellow onion. Get that stirring around, coming right. Season them with a little bit of SPG and Dirty Bird. Let them go for a minute, and then I'm gonna add 3 cloves of chopped friggin' garlic, and who doesn't love garlic? Now it's time for the game. 1 pound of elk chili ground up nice and fine. We'll get that thing sauteed. Cover it up for just a few minutes, and now we're gonna stir it up and hit it again with a little bit of that Dirty Bird and that badass SPG. For this part, I'm gonna add 3/4 of a packet of Williams chili seasoning, 1 10-ounce can of chili ready tomatoes, 1 10-ounce can of original Rotel, not the hot, unless you like it hot, 1 10-ounce can of chili beans, 1 10-ounce can of tomato sauce. Boom, 1 jalapeno. Now we're gonna chop up 3 green onions for a little bit of that garnish. Ooh, and just like that, that chili is ready. Top it with a little bit of shredded cheddar cheese, a little bit of sour cream, and now fresh cut jalapenos. All right, now I know what you're thinking. Kosmo, this chili's too easy. And you're absolutely right. This is the easiest chili you'll ever make, and it tastes freaking phenomenal. Man, this is good. This is real good. So hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. You can find this recipe down in the description, or you can go over to kosmosq.com, print it out, take it with you. All the ingredients for this recipe will be over there as well, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.